how to translate your language into like Hindi or Chinese, whatever. But first, we gotta record like I'm doing now. Hello, guys. Today, don't worry about the noises. What did I do? First, we gotta go here. I will be and pick translate. Then you type anything like my name. What? Hindi is Parisha.
Parisha's tales.
Showing you how to translate your language into like Hindi or now we just changed the color, whatever. But you could like expand it and like do some like this. Record.
Like I'm writing in English also.
And we can also make it like English if you just want it simple. Now I showed you, so if you don't know which button I pressed, you see these 4 squares, tap them, pick the last option, and yes, you got it. You can do anything with these. You could like decorate them, anything. You could delete those. There are many things you could do with emojis. So now I showed you how to do this. You could try by your own. Oh guys, today sorry about the noise. Showing you this noise of the video. It's kind of annoying. So yes, bye.